Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Clinton Howell Team's Weekly Market Update. I'm your host, Clinton Howell, broker with RE/MAX Escarpment Realty. Today is Thursday, August 15th. This is our little co-host, Teddy Bear. He likes to join me sometimes for these updates. What is happening in our local markets, Burlington, Hamilton, Oakville? What's happening with our interest rates with the Bank of Canada? I'm about to tell you. So first of all, September 4th is a big day coming up. We're expecting the Bank of Canada will lower the interest rates, likely another quarter point. I hope another half point would be amazing, but a quarter point is pretty much probable and expected. I had a great meeting with a good friend of mine, Gord Manzer, who is previous owner of the Cooperators Insurance Brokerage in Waterdown. He's also a certified financial planner, and he had some great opinion on the effect of the interest rates and why it's important right now for buyers to consider jumping into the market to purchase now while the prices are lower. So let's have a quick listen in here in this conversation with Gord. Gord.
Does it not make sense? I mean, if interest rates start coming down, 1.5%, 2%, home prices are going to go up that much more. For the sake of a 3 or a 5 year term on your mortgage, you're going to end up spending more overall if you wait for interest rates to come down and home prices go up from sellers as a result than if you just bought now and paid the higher interest rate by 1.5% for the next 3 to 5 years.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more with Gord. The approach right now, the best approach in my opinion, is to take advantage of the prices that are available right now. There's great opportunities right now for buyers, and get a variable rate mortgage for now, and then wait 6-8 months, lock in a great fixed rate at that time. Meanwhile, the market's going to go up. That's what's going to happen. In terms of our appointment center, what's happening in the demand side of the business? RE/MAX Escarpment Niagara Appointment Centre tells us the story here. As the first full week of August comes to a close, our appointment center saw a decrease in weekly appointments. In addition, Friday returned as our busiest day with just over 500 total appointments booked on that day. Our appointment to sold index climbed to 12 this week, a higher index than we have seen in the past week of March 30th to April 6th, however, still lower than the 6-year average for August of 13.52. So this is saying that on average right now, it's taking 12 appointments to get a property sold. This is elevated from where it's been recently, but as far as this time of year in August goes, it's not terrible. We are seeing a lot of people on vacations right now. A lot of people will be coming back from vacation, and we should be in for a very, very busy fall market is my expectation, especially if those interest rates come down like we talked about. One change to note is that new listings have surpassed sales by 70. A stark change compared to last week, considering this gap was just 23 during the week of July 28th to August 3rd. So we're seeing a very strong buyer's market right now. In the Burlington area, we've currently got 576 active listings, which is similar to last week, but only 139 sales in the past 30 days, which is down from 161. So the sales activity is way down. As a result, we have 4.14 months of supply, and our absorption rate has gone down to 44.27% based on the past 30 days. So we're seeing a strong buyer's market again in Burlington. Median days on market is still 15 and the average of 26. So the properties that are successfully getting sold are selling relatively quickly. We're seeing about 2.5% negotiations on most of the successful transactions. In the Hamilton area, we are currently sitting on 1,965 active listings, which is up slightly. 445 sales in the past 30 days, which is similar to a week ago. 4.42 months worth of supply. So again, lots of supply. Buyer's market, 41.59% on the absorption. Properties that are getting sold are selling relatively quickly. Median days on market 21, average 30, and we're seeing just under 3% in terms of negotiations in Hamilton. Oakville area, 545 active listings, which is similar to a week ago. 92 sales in the past 30 days, which is down slightly. 5.92 months worth of supply. That's a ton of supply in Oakville. A great opportunity for buyers. 35.25% absorption, so that's very low. Again, strong buyer's market. Median days on market 28, average of 33, and we're seeing just under 4% off in typical negotiations that are succeeding based on the median in Oakville. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about this report, about your house, your neighborhood, please reach out. Love to hear from my fans. We'll talk to you soon.